I always like to look at how products work on an individual basis. If someone has really oily skin, I'm not going to say take raw shea butter and rub it on your face. I'm not going to ask them to do that because the skin is already oily. But I can show them ways that if they want to work with raw shea butter, if I had super oily skin, I could rub it on my face and use like a wet hot towel to gently wipe it off. That way you're getting the healing benefits of the shea without letting it just sit. So I'm not a scientist, and my way into beauty is really more on an intuitive level where you just kind of figure out what is working for you and what makes sense. And also, when we talk about shea butter, sometimes you don't necessarily just have to be using the raw. There might be cleansing products, moisturizing products that have shea butter in them. They might be formulated in a way that they are water-based, so they're also lighter and good for your skin. Because shea butter is also an ingredient. You can use it by itself, or it can be used in creams, lotions, and serums. And so I would take it from that angle when deciding, what kind of shea butter I should be using on my face and on my body. And then for people with super dry skin, they know they can use a little more, right? When your skin is super dry, if you're going to use raw shea butter after you've washed your face at night and it's still moist, you emulsify a little bit of shea butter on your hands and pat it into your skin. You don't just slather it on.